guys, we out here. We are going to... So where are we going?
We are going to Boca Bash.
Have you been?
I have not been, but it should be an adventure.
Okay guys, so we're waiting for the boat. It's apparently a yacht.
Yeah.
We don't know whose yacht it is.
No. It's a surprise. Boca Bash is essentials.
Okay, Clarissa, say what's up.
We are actually en route right now to Boca Bash, and I need to brush my hair. Okay. On our way to Boca Bash.
Hey, boogie with the hoodie and it's always sparring. Yeah, I know she like my style, of mother niggas boring. When I pull up, big ol' skirt, that's a foreign. When I pull up on a red light, they don't want it. Yeah, I came up from the mud and my baby know that. Introduced her to my blog, now she thinks she all that. When I first hit her up, no, she never rolled back. Then I saw her at the club, so I got up on that. Now every time they...
Okay guys, we out here at Boca Bash.
Wait, we look like your mom.
We still don't know whose boat we're on.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure it out, but it's okay.
But
right?
we're vibing.
We're having fun. That's all.
We stay lit, all that shit. Damn, little baby, what you call that shit? That's the red nose, shawty, you a dog, little bitch. Touch the damn floor with your paws, little bitch. Shake the fat ass on my balls, little bitch.
You like that outfit? I'm a little tipsy at this point. I don't think I could drive the boat.
Stay hydrated!
Spot a little hottie when I flipped up the shade. Looking like a red rice sitting in the driveway. Bottle of Ciroc with her in a Kool-Aid. She done pulled up like I'm getting rid of waves. Are you tired from running through my mind? Take a break and we can have a good time. Show you moves like I'm the new James Brown. Me and you should get a room right now. Cause if it's gold, I'll throw it away. You're worth more than every single chain. It ain't gonna work if you don't want it to. Best drink I take is when I'm sipping you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic. You know that I'm about to smash it, it's true.
We lost someone. We currently lost someone, but we're gonna find them. We found her.
Walk with a limp, it just means I'm cool. Next trip I take is just me and you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you.
Are they helping or are they trying to arrest us?
I don't know.
Come through with that magic, you know that I'm about to smash it, it's true.
Lil' Bo, you said you're living up north, and when you're coming to the A, said you need to find a crib. Well, tell me where you wanna stay. I know we're not too pressed for time, but can you pick up on the pace? Tired of looking at your pictures, wanna be up in your face. I wanna dance with you, wanna laugh and wanna sing. Take you on the road, have you rocking on my bling. Don't know if you're the one, but if you are, you get a ring. That's later down the line, don't wanna rush the type of things. I'm a mama's boy, so you gotta meet my mama first. Let you whip the coupe around, you use the seatbelt first. New shoes, new clothes, and a Chanel purse. Vacant in the Hamptons, got a lazy curse. Lil' Bo.
Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic.
Guys, we have Boca Bash. Just taking a quick nap in my master bedroom.
Totally not her master bedroom.